Happening, everybody? How we doing today? Today's video is going over 301 redirects. I know you probably heard 301s, 404s, this and that. Basically, all it means, 301 redirect is just redirecting a URL. So you're going to be taking a page that may have been here and redirecting Google, redirecting users, redirecting everybody over to a different URL. So an easy example of this would be, say you're on just like an about page and you want to change it to about us. You would just simply put the about into the about us, which would then move people directly over there and also let Google know that. So why is this important? Basically, 301 redirects are important for SEO, and they're also important for keeping people moving to your website. So the reason for SEO is that when you move a page, when Google has all these pages indexed, it doesn't know that you've moved the page. So by doing the 301 redirect, you're basically telling Google that this page has been moved. So these are just a couple examples here in the back end. This is a 301 redirect of Joomla. You can see the list of pages here, and then you can see the new URLs that are being referred. And then here's just a one page being done at a time. I'll go into a little bit more detail of that with a example. So basically this is just our Google Search Console, which is a page that used to be Google Webmaster Tools. So if you see up here, we've basically done a redirect from this Google Search Console, which used to be Google, and it would have said Webmaster Tools. And now when you go to do it, it will redirect to Search Console. So that's basically how a 301 redirects. So why don't we just take a quick look here at a 301 redirect in Joomla. You would just go up here to Components and Redirects. And this is actually built into the core of Joomla. And as you see here, we actually have something that automatically takes people on expired URLs. So you can just see how it is redirecting some of these older URLs over to more popular ones, and depending over here on the 404 hits, that's basically how many times this page has been hit. So like submit URL, this used to be a huge page for us because we used to do a lot of link exchanges, but now we're not doing anything, so we haven't even referred it, but we probably update that to a newer URL because look, it's had 6,000 missed hits. 404 is just basically a page that's missing that needs to get a 301 redirect done. So that's basically in the back end of Joomla. And then if you look here on a WordPress site, you can see this is the example I was showing you. We did a URL from about, and it is now going to redirect over to about us. So whenever somebody goes to miamimarketing.com about, it will now redirect automatically over to the about us URL. And that is basically how 301 redirects. Just real quick, I'm going to show you how you can kind of find some of the most popular pages. So these are the pages in, again, Google Search Console, which is a popular SEO tool. And you can kind of find what pages are here, and it will also tell you if you have any pages that are broken and such, so that you're able to go in there and then fix those links. So guys, that's a 301 redirect. Again, it's not as complicated as people make it seem with all this tech words like 301 redirect. It's really just a URL redirect. So if you guys want help getting those done, you should do them because we can run a test on Google Search Console, find out exactly which links are breaking, and get those redirecting so that you're not losing that 6,000 people who hit the 404. And once they hit the bad page of your website, they're going to leave. So if you want, give a like, give a subscribe. That stuff helps. Otherwise, leave a comment or give us a call, and we'll get you going with your 301 redirects. And stay tuned for more digital marketing, SEO, code, and blogging tutorials coming soon, guys. Check you later. Peace.